Hi friends, I'm Gina and I'm glad you're here. Today I just finished making this ranch chicken in the Instant Pot. Finished it off in the broiler. It was amazing. Anyway, let me show you how I did that. So the first thing I'm going to do is add my chicken. I'm going to add a cup of chicken broth. Put the lid on. Make sure it's in the sealing position and set the timer for 10 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm going to combine my ingredients here. I had 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of ranch seasoning or 1 packet. I have a ½ teaspoon of paprika and a ½ teaspoon of thyme. So I'm taking these out and putting them on a foil lined sheet. You can use parchment paper if you'd prefer. I would probably use that if I had any on hand. Now I'm going to coat these really well and I'm going to broil them for a little while. So I've got my oven heating up so that it won't be a cold oven when I put these in. So my broiler cooked the chicken in about 2 minutes. So you guys might want to keep a really close eye on your chicken when you're broiling it.